Hello everyone and welcome to my new video. Today's discussion is going to be with Polygon, technical analysis and price discussion. We're going to look for the charts and see what's happening in the markets, as we have quite difficult week out there for the traders, and this is happening basically from time to time. In the meantime, we have our main YouTube channel for those of you interested in ChatGPT bot trading. Make sure to check out basically the videos. This video that I'm recording and posting right now will not be on the main channel, so you need to watch out for the other one. In the description area and comments area, you have everything, including the ability for you to discover our bot trading performance and the ability to join the movements. We have a no prior fee commission only from the pure profits achieved ability for people to join, where we perform the trading for you through API permission. I'll talk about it at the end, guys. So let's see what's happening with the Polygon. Well, it is not in the best shape for the past 7 days. It is down by 12%. Not even the full 24 hours are fine, down by 4%. You see that BTC is at 2.44, Ethereum is at 1.12. Actually, looking at the altcoins market, we have the Binance coin surviving, we have Cardano surviving, Dogecoin for the past week, but Polygon is on double digits along with Solana, Ripple. These ones have lost quite significantly, especially in short term, and I'd like to share with you that when the downside spiral effect starts, Polygon is suffering more than the other cryptocurrencies. And this is something we need to fix, guys, because whatever increase you might put into the game, when you see the selling pressure appearing to be that strong, it is scary for a whole lot of the day traders. And if you don't have volume coming in from the day traders, you don't have the ability to increase during those rallies that high that you would expect. Day traders' volume is needed. You don't have it for these cryptos because of their volatility index, which is very high. So people prefer trading BTC and Ethereum on day trading basis, and they go with Polygon or other crypto that are similar in a swing trader position trade at the same time spot trading. Now, what's happening here? By the way, if you'd like to learn how to trade and become a trader, make sure to check out the video till the end, where I have a one-on-one coaching program discussion. However, what we have been going through here is a very interesting stage. So we had a triangle forming at the top, which I'm assuming you can see it. This triangle had a behavior of their tops forming lower lows, but at the same time the lows were forming higher highs. So there was a relation of lower highs, higher lows. Lower highs, higher lows. Very interesting. Now this is putting pressure for the triangle to get squeezed, and the necessity of the breakout is imminent. It doesn't speak in the way it's structurized where it has to break out, which means that we'll have to look into the BTC to discover something that we're not going to do right now. We did it at the time we're trading Polygon, and we have seen BTC is about to suffer a decrease. So it's clear that you cannot be sitting, and you can no longer sit into longs on Polygon. Therefore, I'd like to take the measure from here and share with you what was the decrease. 5.83% in a single hour for Polygon. 5.83. I just shared with you in my other video that Solana had more than 10, and I told you that that is huge, that is top. Now even 5.83 is not really welcome for the majority of people. The reaction we had here on the major support line that we were basically touching is weak. This reaction is weak, guys. This is a reaction of 2.61%, which is a joke. So the expectancies there were at least of 4%. 4% would have brought us into the zone, which is a must to be retested. We have not retested. We actually flushed downwards aggressively another 6%, guys. Look at the long wick there where the markets were tried to be held. Look at that. There is a support zone existing here at 1.7 cents, and that's where we wanted to hold the market. But then again, the bounce was very, very weak. You just bounced to the previous level, which is actually predetermined at 1.10, and then you flush down again with another low under formation. So we have here a structure of triple lows, which is clearly creating a divergence on the indicators that are external, and it is also a situation of support coming in from the zone at 1.3, 1.4. Around those levels, we have strong, very strong support coming in from a major zone on Polygon. Breaking below this will actually trigger the exit of the current rally and a beginning of a cycle where it could be ranging for months or it could be downtrending again. However, breaking below this structure right now is not going to be easy. Therefore, if we're sitting above this zone and we would like to have price action moving to higher levels, we need to keep in mind that there's going to be here a volatility on a high index, which means that you can easily get back to 110 and still remain for the micro movement bearish. You'll form a range here, zone and the upper line. You will range here for a couple of weeks, which is the usual activity after major dumps like that. You just do not get back like this in a V shape, other than a situation to be generated with external info or external set of data which could trigger basically such thing. For example, Polygon to be adopted in a specific parliament at a whatnot kind of an entrepreneurship, or you have a business such as X or I or Z which adopts Polygon to be utilized in their community and so on, right? So all sorts of things, but not at minor levels which are happening weekly, at major levels which are not happening weekly, by the way. This is something that could trigger a recovery right now in a V shape, other than that you're not going to get it. That's the situation with Polygon. It actually suffered a lot and we're not getting basically to the 1.25 cents top. There's a lot of room here and the rallies are taking time to be completed for the crypto space. You need to be very patient, guys. That's it for today. That's it for Polygon. Once again, for those of you interested in ChatGPT bot trading, make sure to check out our report. This is the activity, videos on my channel, and the presentation itself. Drop me a message if you would like to participate or complete a form listed here on our page, which is something you can access. Have a good time, folks, and watch this video till the end to discover more about education and coaching, where I talk about the private education and coaching program. Have a good time, subscribe, and like the video. At the same time, if you would like to change the results of your performance, if you want to do day trading, swing trading, position trading as a full-time or part-time trader, I do have a one-on-one coaching directly with me where I'll take you by hand between 4 to 6 weeks and teach you in an intensive way how to do the whole process. This is starting from the fundamentals of the mindset mentality going towards the technical analysis, where the idea is to understand the language of the market and react to that language accordingly. It's quite simple. If you know what does the market tells you, you know how to react to that. It is a message. It tells you this is where I'd like to go. This is where I have total domination, which is why you need to uncrypt the language of the market perfectly in order to act correctly. Like if you're not correct in trading, if you're not accurate, you're not going to make money on the long term. Now, live trades are also part of the process. Day trades, swing trades, technicals, homework. I'm sharing with you my screen. I'm taking you through the whole process. If you want to be on a call for this one as well, just register now and you can qualify for a free conversation if you think it's interesting. You can read more about it and discover more. Have a good time, guys. Subscribe and we'll talk to you soon.